Hey there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. Today we're diving into some exciting tech updates. Google is shaking things up with the Pixel 10 lineup, including a Pro Fold and the Pixel Watch 4. The new Tensor G5 chip is set to supercharge on-device AI, and with Gemini AI in wearables, it's a full-stack revamp in the AI era. Big bets, bold tech. Pixel 10 might just reshape the smart ecosystem. Now, let's talk about Google's quiet game changer, the AI Edge Gallery app. This lets Android users run powerful AI models locally. No cloud needed. It's a privacy-first shift that turns your phone into a full-blown AI workstation. Developers can test models on the edge, consumers get fast, private AI tools, and enterprises get a taste of decentralized AI experiences. It's a paradigm shift in mobile AI. Next up, let's explore TalkNotes. It's a nifty tool for turning voice notes into summaries. Just head to talknotes.io, sign up, record, or upload a voice note, choose your summary style, and click Transcribe. You'll get AI-generated notes that you can edit, export, or share. It's that simple. For productivity buffs, check out these tools: Deep Motion for AI-powered motion capture, Toonly for easy animation, Viasis for photo enhancement, and AI Tool Hunt for discovering the latest AI tools. In other news, Honor is investing $10 billion in AI, aiming to lead in humanoid robots. Samsung might switch to Perplexity AI for its Galaxy S26, signaling a shift in mobile AI alliances. Salesforce is enhancing its recruitment tools with talent from MoonHub, and Agoda's new AI travel planner is making trip planning a breeze. Finally, Wall Street's new superpower, S&P Global's Risk Gauge. This AI platform uses deep web scraping and ensemble learning to analyze over 10 million SMEs, offering real-time credit scoring and transparency. It's a leap toward democratizing SME credit intelligence. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, this is Shinky and the Hanuman AI team, keeping you updated on the latest in tech and AI.